Hello, welcome to the Jubilee Sailing Trust tour. My name is Daisy, I will be your tour guide today. Right now, you are standing at the Southampton port, where the Jubilee Sailing Trust is located. On your left-hand side, you can see a ship named Lord Nelson, and on your right-hand side, the Tenacious. Jubilee Sailing Trust is an international, United Nations accredited disability charity. The trust takes both disabled and able-bodied people to the sea, to not only teach them how to crew a tall ship, but to promote equality sharing, and to celebrate individual differences by working together. Today, I will take you on their two ships. Firstly, Lord Nelson, and secondly, the Tenacious. If you are ready, we will begin your experience now. Lord Nelson was designed by Colin Muter, a small craft naval designer, awarded the status of Royal Designers for Industry. The construction of Lord Nelson is completed on the 17th of October 1986. The newly completed ship made her way out of Southampton and towards the challenge of changing lives, for everyone who came on board. Right now, you are standing on the bowsprit of the ship. It provides an anchor point for the forestays, which keeps the big poles in front of you from falling. On your left hand, you can see the River Itchen, which flows from Mid-Hampshire to join with Southampton water. Please take your time to look around. Now, you are standing in the helm, located on the upper deck of the ship. Helm is the part that controls the course of the ship. When the ship's wheel is steered by the helmsman, the steering mechanism will alter the angle of the vessel's rudder to change the direction of the ship. You will get to join in and get involved with the activities regardless of your physical ability. On Sunday, you might get to be the helmsman. This is the cockpit, the place for control systems, including the steering and other navigation and communication systems. Upon boarding the ship, you will be put into one of 4 teams, called watches. Each watch is responsible for various tasks on board, including keeping watch, both at day and night. An experienced watch leader in each watch will work with you and be your formal link with the permanent crew. Between them, they ensure that you are given tasks that suit your individual strengths. Together, you will sail the ship. The galley or the kitchen is the compartment of a ship, where food is cooked and prepared. A professional cook and a cook's assistant produce 3 cooked meals a day and make cakes, biscuits and scones for 11s and afternoon tea, both known as smoko. On each day of the voyage, one member of each watch helps the cook and cook's assistant in the galley. Coming down to the gun deck or the lower floor, you can see pictures of the crew members. On your left-hand side, you can see the transport assistant for the disabled bodies to maneuver up and down the deck. The accommodation is seeable on your right-hand side. Coming inside is the living room and the bar. Here, the crew members may spend time together in their happy hours or free time. You can see the cozy and lively atmosphere of the conversation between the former and current crew members.
How have you been?
Yeah, good, good.
What do you got? Are you coming back home now or?
Just got off Tenacious, we come from Antigua.
The ship bathroom is located near the accommodation. You can see toilet in the right room and the shower in the left room. You may clean yourself in your free time before breakfast, lunch and dinner or after your watch duty. Cafeteria is the place where you can enjoy your meals, or chatting with the others just as in the living room. Behind you is the microlift, which is used to deliver the food and other items between the decks. The luggages you brought to the ship will be kept at your accommodation. No hard luggage is allowed on the ship, to avoid any possible injuries. On board, you may be assigned a buddy, another crew member who will be your companion on the voyage. This is why you can see the 2 beds in the accommodation. Jubilee Sailing Trust aims to pair up physically disabled and able-bodied into buddies, as this integration lies at the heart of their mission. Together you will discover how to sail the ship. And now, your bed is done. You are ready to sleep.